The Ryobi One Plus Circular Saw is ideal for making long straight cuts, trimming sheet wood to size, cutting kitchen worktops, flooring, or making quick and accurate crosscuts in timber. This powerful saw is able to make impressive cutting capacities of 52 millimeters at 90 degrees and 36 millimeters at 45 degrees. You can easily set the depth of cut by adjusting this lever. And you can also set the bevel cutting angle between 0 and 50 degrees. Allowing you to carry out a wide range of applications, usually reserved for corded saws. The tool comes with an adjustable side fence as standard. To guide straight cuts. The 165mm premium thin kerf blade with 24 carbide tipped teeth provides superb cutting quality across a variety of wood materials. And with this dust port on board, you can connect your saw to a vacuum cleaner to leave you with a dust-free working environment. And with one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can cut 100 meters of 11mm plywood on a single charge. This One Plus circular saw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your One Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries or chargers. As part of the One Plus system, with over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this saw will work with any One Plus battery.